It's my birthday and I know you want to ride out.
Is that recording?
No. Stop it. I'm Samantha. Now I'm Kyla. Samantha,
Kyla.
Kyla. Samantha, Kyla. Samantha, Kyla. Okay, I'm not doing that no more. Get my headband, meanie.
You should just answer it.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
You have to flirt.
You're a sick person.
Let's actually try to see if we can actually really do acting. Like a drama or something.
Okay.
What should
What
we
do you
do?
want to do?
I don't know. We should do comedy. I don't know. There's comedy, there's drama, there's...
Okay, what are you better at being at? The mean girl or the nerd?
What do you mean? I'll try the mean girl. Whatever you want to be.
I want to see what this looks like. Me and Caitlin did it. It was so funny.
On the screen?
Uh-huh.
Stop taking your butt.
It's riding out my butt.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
What am I supposed to do?
I don't know.